Good morning to all. So last lectures we were discussed about Carnot cycle. Clear? So what are the different thermodynamics process involved in Carnot cycle? What are all those thermodynamics process? Yes. Isothermal expansion, compression, adiabatic compression. Clear? Any doubt? No doubt? Yes. Yes, net work done. Okay. Okay. उस पे मैं आऊंगा. Yeah, don't worry. Now, so our today's topic is what is Otto cycle and what is diesel cycle, and what is the difference between Otto cycle and diesel cycle. Mostly, always, and frequently asked question in your GME interview. No doubt for sure. Even your CBT exams also. So very important topic. Difference between Otto cycle and diesel cycle. Clear? So first difference is thermodynamic process. What are the different thermodynamic process involved in this Otto cycle, and what are all other thermodynamics process involved in diesel cycle? Clear? So first of all, in terms of thermodynamic process. Clear? Sure. So thermodynamics process. Mostly always and frequently asked question by your interviewer surveyor, and in case of your CBT exams also, like Synergy, Anglo, IMS Goa. Clear? So now, first of all, focus on Otto cycle. Clear? Otto cycle. So what are the different thermodynamic process involved in this Otto cycle process? Now see, this is point 1. Agree? Agree? This one is point 1. Now, point 1 to 2. This one is nothing but PV diagram. Y-axis में क्या है? Pressure. X-axis में क्या है? Volume. So now, from 1 to 2 process, what this process called? Which thermodynamics process it is? Anybody? Isentropic process. And other? Which process it is? Yes, which process it is? Same process involved in Carnot cycle as well. इसलिए तो आपको Carnot cycle पढ़ाएंगे. This is nothing but adiabatic compression. Same thing तो था Carnot cycle में भी. इसलिए तो मैंने first Carnot cycle पढ़ाया. Clear or no? Adiabatic compression. Compression means pressure increases, volume decreases, and और भी better तरीके से बोल सकते हैं reversible adiabatic compression. Reversible adiabatic compression. And now my next question है, अभी 1 to 2 process में ही है. अब now my question is, what is the basic difference between adiabatic and reversible adiabatic? Clear? What is the basic difference between adiabatic process and reversible adiabatic process? So in thermodynamics process, now tell me what is adiabatic process? Yes, please. What is adiabatic process in thermodynamics? Q change in heat energy is equal to 0. That is delta Q is equal to 0 in case of adiabatic process. Delta Q is equal to 0 in case of adiabatic process. Now, what is reversible adiabatic process? Always remember, reversible adiabatic process follows PV power gamma is equal to constant. कल मैंने पढ़ाया था PV power gamma is equal to constant. The product of pressure and volume power gamma is equal to constant. What is gamma? Anybody? Yesterday I taught you. What is? Yes, Cp by Cv. Very good. Gamma means specific heat ratio. Specific heat ratio. Gamma is equal to specific heat at constant pressure by specific heat at constant volume. Clear? So PV power gamma is equal to constant in case of reversible adiabatic. Clear? Any doubt? Up now, this gamma value changes according to the nature of gases, whether it is monoatomic gas, whether it is diatomic gas, whether it is polyatomic gas. Clear? Any doubt? For diatomic gas, gamma value is 1.4. For monoatomic, gamma value is 1.67. For polyatomic, gamma value is 1.33. No need to remember this. Just मैं आपको things बता रहा हूँ. Clear? So now, अब this process 1 to 2 process follow reversible adiabatic compression process. Any doubt? This 1 to 2 which process follow कर रहा है? Reversible adiabatic compression process. Compression, why compression? Volume decreases, pressure increases. Because y-axis represent pressure, x-axis represent volume. Getting or no? Yes. Vivek, clear? Yes. Goku, clear? Aslam, clear? Yes. Shiva, clear? Clear Aditya? Yes. Udit, clear? Sure. Yes. Yes. Reversible adiabatic process is different. Adiabatic is different. Adiabatic means only change in heat energy is equal to 0. Insulated kind of system. Clear? Insulated system. Reversible adiabatic process means simple. PV power gamma is equal to constant. जो प्रोसेस PV power gamma is equal to constant follow करेगा वो हमारा reversible adiabatic process होगा. Now, clear? First one is अब this reversible, sometimes this reversible adiabatic compression is also called isentropic compression. So don't get confused. Reversible adiabatic process is same as isentropic compression. Please write it down. Number 1 to 2 follows isentropic compression. Number 1 to 2 follows isentropic compression or reversible adiabatic compression. Don't say, or sometimes CBT exams में आएगा, okay, tell me, number 1 to 2 process follows option 1. Option 1, isentropic compression. Option 2, isothermal process. Option 3, adiabatic compression. Option 4, none of the above. तो आप confused हो जाते, yes, it is adiabatic process. No, adiabatic process में तो Q is equal to 0 होता है. It is reversible adiabatic process. Reversible adiabatic compression process. Getting or not, Aslam? Clear, Arun? Clear, Saurabh? Clear? 100%? Yes. Now, number 2 to 3. Clear? 1 to 2 done. Number 2 to 3. Now tell me, by looking this diagram, clear? Now, just tell me 2 to 3 process. Which thermodynamic process is involved in? Isochoric? Confirm? Confirm? Yes, confirm? Confirm? Yes, Saurabh? Sure? This process is nothing but isochoric process. Clear? Isochoric process. Clear? So, always remember, in first case, PV power gamma. Now, in this case, V is equal to constant. Volume is equal to constant in second process. Means, number 2 to 3 thermodynamic process follow isochoric process. Clear? ये हो गया रिवर्सिबल एडियाबेटिक कंप्रेशन. Which law? Vimsa? Yes. Yeah. जितना पढ़ा रहा उतना ही पढ़ा. Yes. Volume is equal to constant. This is isochoric process. Clear? Any doubt? Could doubt? No. Next. Now, अब isochoric process. Always remember, in case of Otto cycle, very important point. Heat addition at constant volume. In case of Otto cycle, to see Q in is added in this number 2 to 3 thermodynamic process. Please write it down. In Otto cycle, heat addition at constant volume. Heat addition at constant volume. Heat addition at constant volume. Clear? Number 2 to 3. Any doubt? Now, what about number 3 to 4? Anybody, please. Which thermodynamic process involved in number 3 to 4? Anybody, please. Very good. Yes. Which process it is? Isobaric. How it is isobaric? What is isobaric process? Constant pressure. So क्या ये constant pressure? Pressure continuously decreases here. So is it constant pressure process? Number 3 to 4. So how it is isobaric process? Yes. Why it is isentropic? वो name है. The other name of reversible adiabatic process is nothing but isentropic process. Yes, वो एक name है. Yes, adiabatic compression. Reversible adiabatic process is also called isentropic process. Clear? Yes, 3 to 4 process follows. Isentropic expansion, or in second way we can say reversible adiabatic expansion process. Clear है? अकमल 100%. मैं ट्रस्ट कर सकता हूं आप पर, बिल्कुल ट्रस्ट कर सकता हूं. So number 3 to 4 follows isentropic expansion process or reversible adiabatic expansion process. Any doubt? Clear? Or isentropic process. Clear? Isentropic expansion process. Yes. अच्छा, वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन. अकमल की क्वेश्चन है कि सर ये कैसे पता चलेगा which one is compression और which one is expansion? Anybody? Please, yes. How can I determine which one is, whether 1 to 2 is compression or whether 3 to 4 is compression? How can I determine? Yes, Aslam. How can I determine? Yes, compression means? Very good. Compression means volume decreases, pressure increases. So now tell me, now just look, number 1 and 2 process and 3 and 4 process. किस केस में वॉल्यूम डिक्रीज हो रहा है एंड प्रेशर इंक्रीज हो रहा है? Which case? 1 to 2. अकमल, your question only. Number 1 and 2 प्रेशर क्या हो रहा है? इंक्रीज हो रहा है. So in compression प्रेशर क्या होता है? इंक्रीज होता है. So from 1 to 2 and 3 to 4. सिंपल है, किसमें प्रेशर इंक्रीज हो रहा है? 1 to 2. तो मेरी 1 to 2 प्रोसेस क्या होगा? रिवर्सिबल एडियाबैटिक कंप्रेशन प्रोसेस. एक्सपेंशन में क्या होगा? वॉल्यूम increases, like 3 to 4 volume increases. Getting or not? Clear है? Don't worry, IC engine में और clear होगा. Clear? Yes, Hyder. Don't worry, ये आपकी फर्स्ट क्लास है. जो पहले की पार्ट रह गई उसकी रिवीजन होगी. रिवीजन क्लासेस में आपको समझ में आएगा. एक्स्ट्रा क्लासेस जब होंगे. Clear? Yes. 3 to 4 is nothing but reversible adiabatic expansion process. Now, next thing is Otto cycle and diesel cycle. चलो, अब now next one is 4 to 1. 4 to 1 process. Which process it is? Anybody? Yes? Isochoric process. Yes. Yes, Priyas. Which process it is? 4 to 1. Which process it is? Very good. Fantastic answer. Heat rejection with isochoric process. Saurabh? Anurag? 100%? Shall I trust you? 4 to 1 is heat rejection with isochoric process. Heat rejection with isochoric process.